So I was living with a stranger this whole time. VHUTSHILO, please let me explain. I didn't want her to come here. But you knew she was calling, Fulu. Fulu, you let me look like a fool at my own gate. I was scared. I thought if I ignored it, she would stay in Johannesburg. You didn't ignore it. You answered her. You hid your phone from me. I was trying to protect what we have built. No, you were protecting her. You still love her, Fulu. Don't lie to me today.
Wipe those tears, Fulufhelo. Tears do not wash away a lie. Gugu, my head is spinning. Everything is breaking again. It is breaking because you tried to build a house on top of old secrets. I love VHUTSHILO. She's the one who saved my life. You love VHUTSHILO for what she did, but your eyes still look for the city girl. Rofhiwa was my first love. It's not easy to just switch off my heart. An unchosen path will always haunt you. Decide who you belong to before sunset. I told you the city girl would bring the storm back from Johannesburg. Is it true she came with a white car to claim Fulufhelo? She came for the baby. But the real question is, whose baby is it? What do you mean? The court already locked up the 3 boys. They locked them up, but which one of them left his blood in that lesbian? Talk. Evho, if it's Rendani's child, his family will surely make a noise. The village is watching. That child will have 3 fathers until the truth speaks. You didn't look at me like you hate me, Fulu. You couldn't even say it. I'm not coming back tonight. I'm staying right here in Venda. The grandmother tried to chase me with a cane, but I don't care. Fulufhelo admitted it in front of everyone. She still loves me. I made a mistake leaving her during the court trial, but I am fixing it now. I'm not driving back to Joburg until she looks me in the eye and tells me to go. VHUTSHILO, please eat something. Don't punish your body because of me.
My body is fine. It's my heart that is struggling to breathe in this room. I told her to go. You heard me at the gate. You told her to go because Gugu was standing there, not because you wanted her to leave. That's not true. I want peace. I want us.
Peace cannot live in the dark, Fulu. You shared a secret with her for months. If you two are going to feed on anger, leave the table. Do not disrespect the food.
You don't understand. Where are you going? Please stay here with me.
I'm sleeping in the living room, Fulufhelo.
Don't do this. The baby's kicking. I need you next to me.
You have your memories of Johannesburg to keep you company tonight. Why are you being so cold? I survived the worst and now you're abandoning me?
I never abandoned you. I slept on a hospital chair for you, but I won't share a bed with Rofhiwa's shadow.
So, the soccer player is finally looking like a woman.
Move away from my gate before I call Gugu.
Call her, but that cane won't change the blood inside you.
The court gave its judgment. Your brother is in Matacha prison where he belongs.
He is in prison, yes. But the whole village is asking who the real father is. If that child comes out looking like Rendani, we are coming to take our family's blood.
This child is mine. She will never know your twisted family.
Hey, step back from her right now before I call the police.
And who are you? The city girl who ran away when the drama started?
I'm the one who will make sure you end up in the same cell as your brother if you touch her.
You town girls think you own the world. We will see when the baby is born.
Fulu, are you okay? Did he touch you? Why are you still here, Rofhiwa? You shouldn't be fighting my battles. I'm fighting for you because I should have done it 6 months ago. It's too late for that. Look at me, Rofhiwa. I am 6 months pregnant from an assault. I don't care about the belly, Fulu. I care about you. I never stopped loving you. You say that now, but VHUTSHILO saw the blood and the tears. She didn't run. She was here. I was miles away in a classroom, losing my mind with guilt. Please just leave Venda. If VHUTSHILO sees you here again, she will leave me forever. Then let her leave. Meet me at the old school soccer field at 4 p.m. today. If you don't show up, I'm coming back inside that house. She's a very good protector. She even guards our gate now. VHUTSHILO, Rendani's brother, was threatening me. She just stopped him. And why was she conveniently driving past our house again, Fulu? I don't know! I told her to go back to Johannesburg. You are a liar. You looked at her the same way you used to look at her photos. I am carrying a child from a trauma. My mind is breaking. Why can't you just support me? I supported you when you were nothing. Now that she is back, my support feels like a prison to you. They want me to choose, but every choice tears a piece of my soul away. If I stay, VHUTSHILO leaves because of the doubt. If I go to the field, I destroy everything. VHUTSHILO, please! Don't walk out of this gate. The gate was already opened by someone else, Fulu. I didn't choose for her to be at the shop or the road.
but you chose to look at her like she still owns your soul. VHUTSHILO, my child, anger is a bad advisor. Stay and talk.
I've talked with my actions for 6 months, Gugu. Now my words are finished. If you leave, I have nothing left to fight for. Fight for the city girl. She's waiting for you at the soccer field right now. Don't look back. Just keep walking. Ma, I'm coming home. No, nothing is wrong with my health. I am just tired. I tried to build a life on an empty promise, Mama. Fulufhelo doesn't need me anymore. Her past has finally caught up with her. I'll be there before the sun sets. Just lock the door for me.
Fulu? Oh, the city girl is still waiting. The lesbian must be very busy crying at home.
Mind your business and keep walking, lady. My business is the gossip of this village, and right now you are the main event. I'm not interested.
Oh, you will be.
Come on, Fulu, just show up. Don't make me do something stupid.
Get up from the floor, Fulufhelo. A mother does not crawl in the dust. My heart is tearing apart, Gugu. VHUTSHILO hates me. She doesn't hate you. She is wounded because you treated her like a second option. I just wanted to see Rofhiwa to tell her to leave for good. Then go to that soccer field. Go and finish it once and for all. But if I go, VHUTSHILO will never believe me again. If you stay here hiding, you will always wonder. Go look at that ghost and decide who you are.
Going to meet the city girlfriend soccer player?
Get out of my way. I don't have time for your games today.
My brother doesn't have time either inside Matache prison.
He chose his path. Leave me alone.
We are watching you, Fulu. The clinic records will speak.
You can't touch me. Rofhiwa will call the police again.
The city girl won't stay in Venda forever. But we live here. Remember that.
You came, I knew you would come, Fulu. I came because you threatened to destroy my home. I didn't mean it like that. I just needed to see you without everyone screaming at me. VHUTSHILO packed her bags because of you, Rofhiwa. My life is in ruins. She left because she knows you don't belong with her. Look at me, Fulu. I am looking at the person who left me when I was bleeding on the floor. And I am looking at the only girl I have ever loved. I am so sorry for running.
I tell you, the lesbian is losing her mind. Both girls are fighting over her.
But what about the child? Our boys are suffering in prison while she gets famous.
Dog risen Chuck. Don't worry. The moment that baby takes its first breath, we demand a DNA test. And if the elders refuse, Gugu is powerful in Khakhanwa. We have to.
It's risky.
It's really happening. You're going to be a mother. It belongs to a night I want to forget, Rofhiwa. Then let me help you forget it. Come back to Johannesburg with me.
What? Are you crazy? My whole life is here in Venda.
The village is torturing you with gossip. Rendani's family is hunting you.
And VHUTSHILO, she gave up her own family to protect me. VHUTSHILO cannot give you the future I can buy for this child. Let me save you, Fulu. Oh, my child, my beautiful warrior, you are home.
It hurts so much, Ma. I gave her everything.
You gave her your light when she was in darkness. That is never a waste.
But she chose the one who left her in the dark!
Some people are addicted to the pain that broke them, VHUTSHILO.
I want to hate her, Mama, but I just feel so empty inside.
Let the emptiness stay for tonight. Tomorrow we start filling it with your own worth. Johannesburg is a beautiful dream, Rofhiwa. But I am not a dream anymore.
Fulu, don't do this. Don't stay here and let them destroy you.
The boys destroyed my body, but running away will destroy my soul.
So you are choosing VHUTSHILO over me. Even though she walked out,
I am choosing the girl I became when the world went dark.
She won't take you back. You broke her heart today.
Then I will spend the rest of my life earning it back.
Get in your car and go home, Rofhiwa. You don't understand.
We are not here to fight old woman. We are here for the family discussion.
There is no discussion for jackals at my gate. What is happening here, Gugu?
Ah, the mother has arrived. Good. The prison boys sent a message from Matatache.
I don't care about their messages.
You will care about this one. On Monday, the formal trouble court summons our claim the child.
You can't have my child!